We have here a nice Porsche 911, which came here due to a non-starting issue. It had previously some bodywork done, steel rug replaced, which needs coating. However, at some point the car did not start anymore, came into us, and what we have found an issue that is common even on older model, water ingress on the floor, carpet very wet, and on the floor below the passenger seat there are two control units. There's the rear electronic modules and getaway modules, and obviously water and electrics, they don't go very well together, and then water ingress on the board has caused damage to them control units. You can just see, so yeah, this is gonna end up being a bit of a costly repair. Damaged on the connectors, rusted, they need to be repaired. Obviously new control unit, get it programmed with the Porsche online, and we'll get the car back on the road.